Hello student, today we are going to discuss a new subtopic of differentiation, that is derivative of standard function. So here first function, which is constant function. So derivative of constant is always equal to 0. Suppose that derivative of 5 is 0, where 5 is constant. Now next, algebraic function, derivative of x raised to n, which is equal to n x raised to n minus 1. So here suppose derivative of x raised to 4, then formula is n x raised to n minus 1, means this power into x raised to 4 minus 1. So answer is 4x raised to 3. Okay. Now next, derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Derivative of 1 upon x raised to n is equal to minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. So here example, derivative of 1 upon x cube is equal to minus 3 upon x raised to 3 plus 1, means it is minus 3 upon x raised to 4. Now next, trigonometric function. So derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of cos x with respect to x is minus sin x, derivative of tan x with respect to x is equal to sec square x, derivative of sec x with respect to x is sec x into tan x, derivative of cosec x with respect to x is minus cosec x into cot x, derivative of cot x with respect to x is minus cosec square x. Now next, exponential and logarithmic function. So derivative of log x is equal to 1 upon x, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Here observe, derivative of this is as it is. Now next, derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. So suppose derivative of 5 raised to x, then it is 5 raised to x into log a. Okay. Next, derivative of log x base a. So for example, derivative log of x with respect to a 5, then its answer is 1 upon x into log 5. Okay. Now next, rules of differentiation. If u plus v are differentiable function of x, then derivative of u plus v with respect to x is derivative of u plus derivative of v. So suppose that this is x square plus 2x. Then if we take derivative of this, then it is apply on both, derivative of x square plus derivative of 2x. Now by using formula, it is 2x and it is 2. Okay. It is same for subtraction also. You can observe that u minus v. Now next, derivative of u into v. So here u means first function, then derivative of second function plus v, then derivative of first function. Next, derivative of constant into some function, then that time take outside constant and apply the derivative on the function. And this last, derivative of u upon v, then it is second function into derivative of first function minus first function, then derivative of second function, and in the denominator derivative of second function square, and where v is not equal to 0. If v is 0, then its answer is infinity, which is not possible. That's why here always v is not equal to 0, means second function is not equal to 0. Now there are some example on these rules or standard function. So we start a new exercise, that is exercise 9.2. So this is the first example. Differentiate the following with respect to x. So first we write given. Okay, now differentiate it. We get, now use your formula dy by dx, differentiation of y with respect to x, and here d by dx. So log x now here we use rules of differentiation of addition and both subtraction also. So here we know that derivative of log x is 1 upon x minus derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x, and derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. So using this 5 raised to x into log 5 minus 3 is constant, so take outside, and derivative of 1 upon x raised to n is minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. So here minus 3 by 2 upon x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1. Now in the next step, 1 upon x plus cosec x into cot x plus 5 raised to x into log 5. This minus minus will get plus here, plus 3 by 2. Sorry, it is minus minus plus, but it is 9, and into 1 upon 2 plus 1, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. So it is x raised to 5 upon 2. So write it again, 1 upon x plus cosec x into cot x plus, this is multiplication, 5 raised to x into log 5 and plus 9 upon 2x raised to 5 upon 2. So this is our answer, or this is derivative of y. Observe the example. It is very easy. By using this standard function and rules of differentiation, here we solve this example. Now next example, y is equal to x raised to 5 into tan x. So here it is multiplication. So we use this rule, derivative of u into v is u, derivative of v with respect to x plus v into derivative of u with respect to x. This is also called as product rule. So first write given, now differentiate with respect to x, we get, so this is differentiation of y. So by using product rule, first function as it is, derivative of second plus second function as it is and derivative of first. So here x raised to 5, and we know that derivative of tan x is sec square x plus tan x, and derivative of x raised to 5 is 5 x raised to 5 minus 1. Derivative of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. So it is x raised to 5 into sec square x plus tan x, and that is 5 x raised to 4. Take x raised to 4 common. So here x raised to 4, here remaining x, sec square x, and this is plus 5 tan x. So this is our derivative. It is very simple. By using product rule, we find here our answer. Now next example, y is equal to x square root x plus x raised to 4 log x. First write given. Okay. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get. So here dy upon dx, which is equal to d by dx x square root x plus x raised to 4 log x. Now it is d by dx of x square, and write root x as x raised to 1 by 2 plus d by dx of x raised to 4 into log x. So here derivative of 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, so x raised to 5 upon 2, and plus here we use product rule, this is u and this is v, so u as it is and derivative of v, so x raised to 4 into d by dx of log x plus log x as it is into d by dx of x raised to 4. So here derivative of x raised to n is n, x raised to n minus 1. So it is 5 upon 2, x raised to 5 upon 2 minus 1 plus x raised to 4, derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x, and here x raised to 4 is 4, x raised to 4 minus 1. So it is 5 upon 2, this is 2 into 1, 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, so x raised to 3 upon 2 plus 1x cancel, so here x cube plus log x into 4x cube. So in next step, 5 upon 2 x raised to 3 by 2 plus, now take x common here, sorry x cube common, so x cube 1 plus 4 log x. So this is our answer. This is dy upon dx. Observe the example. It is very simple. Now next example, y is equal to log e raised to x cube into log x cube. So first write it given. Now use here rules of logarithm, that is log a raised to b is equal to b log a. It is called jumping law also. So here y is equal to, now x cube jump here, so x cube into log e, and it is 3 log x. Here b log a, so this x cube log e and this is log 3 log x. Now here x cube into 1 and into 3 log x, because log e is 1. So it is 3x cube into log x. Now differentiate it. So differentiate with respect to x, we get now this is dy upon dx, and this is derivative of 3x cube into log x. So this is, here we use product rule. So first function as it is, derivative of second, d by dx of log x plus log x as it is, and derivative of first function. So here 3x cube, derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x, and derivative of this 3x cube is 3 as it is, and x cube, here also 3 as it is and derivative x cube, so 3 minus 1. This x and this x get cancelled, so here 3x square plus log x, 3 into 3 9 x square. So our answer is 3x square plus 9x square into log x. Now take x square common here, so 3x square common, so it is 1 plus 3 log x. This is over dy upon dx. Observe the example. First we use here rules of logarithm and then we take differentiation. Now this is next example. Y is equal to e raised to x tan x plus cos log x root x into 5 raised to x. So first we write it given. Y is equal to e raised to x tan x plus cos log x minus root x into 5 raised to x. Now differentiate with respect to x. So in this example you can observe that this is u into v, this is also u into v, and this is also u into v. So here we have to use product rule 3 times. So first derivative of x, which is equal to d by dx of e raised to x into tan x plus cos x into log x minus root x into 5 raised to x. Okay. Now separate d by dx of e raised to x tan x plus d by dx of cos x into log x minus d by dx of root x into 5 raised to x. So use here product rule. Second, first function as it is, derivative of second plus second function as it is, derivative of first plus log x, cos x as it is, derivative of log x plus log x as it is, and derivative of cos x minus, now use here bracket because here is minus sign, so root x as it is, derivative of 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to x as it is, derivative of root x. Now here derivative e raised to x as it is, derivative of tan x is sec square x plus tan x as it is, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, cos x as it is, derivative of log x is 1 upon x, log x as it is, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, and this is minus root x as it is, derivative of 5 raised to x is 5 raised to x into log 5 plus 5 raised to x as it is, and derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So here next step, e raised to x into sec square x plus tan x into e raised to x plus cos x upon x, and this is minus sin x into log x. And now take 5 raised to x common here. So this is minus 5 raised to x root x into log 5 plus 1 upon 2 root x. So now in this step take e raised to x common. So it is e raised to x sec square x into tan x. Sorry, here it is plus. When we take e raised to x common, then remaining terms are sec square x and tan x plus cos x upon x, and this is minus sin x into log x, and here minus 5 raised to x root x into log 5 plus 1 upon 2 root x. So this is our answer. Here we use product rule 3 times, and then we get our answer here. Now this is next example, y is equal to x square plus 3 upon x minus 5. So we take right first given y is equal to x square plus 3 upon x minus 5. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get. So this is dy upon dx, which is equal to d by dx of x square plus 3 upon x minus 5. Now you can observe that this is u upon v. So we use here rule of this. This is called quotient rule. Derivative of u upon v is second function into derivative of first function, then minus first function as it is and derivative of second function upon square of second function. So we use this rule. This is our first function and this is our second function. So here x minus 5, sorry, it is x square minus 5, make it correct. X square minus 5 into derivative of first function, that is x square plus 3, minus x square plus 3 as it is into derivative of second function upon second function square. Okay, so it is x square minus 5, derivative of this x square is 2x, derivative of constant is 0, minus x square plus 3 into x square is 2x, derivative of constant is 0, and upon this x square minus 5 square. Now here x square minus 5 into this 2x minus x square plus 3 into 2x upon x square minus 5 square. Now take 2x common in the both the terms. So here when we take 2x common, the remaining terms are x square minus 5 minus x square plus 3 upon x square minus 5 whole square. So we use here 2x, x square minus 5 minus x square minus 3 upon x square minus 5 square. So 2x, this x square cancel, minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 upon x square minus 5 square. So our answer is minus 16x upon x square minus 5 square. So this is dy upon dx. Observe the example. It is very simple. Here we use quotient rule and then we get our answer. Now this is next example. Here given that if f of x is quadratic polynomial such that f of 0 equal to 3, f dash of 2 is equal to 2 and f dash of 3 equal to 12, then find f of x. So here given that f of x is quadratic polynomial. So first write given f of x is quadratic polynomial. So therefore we know that the quadratic equation is expressed like that: ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are any constant, and give it equation first. Okay. So here given that f of 0 is equal to 3, given f of 0 is equal to 3. So therefore if we put 0 here, so it is a into 0 square plus b into 0 plus c. So therefore f of 0 is equal to c, but f of 0 is equal to 3, therefore 3 is equal to c. So therefore c is equal to 3. Okay. Also f dash of 2 is equal to 2, so that's why we differentiate this. F dash of x is equal to 2ax plus b plus 0, because derivative of constant is 0, and here f dash of 2 is equal to 2a into 2 plus b, but f dash of 2 is equal to 2, so write here 2 4a plus b, given f dash of 2 is equal to 2. So we take b here, b is equal to what? 2 minus 4a. Also f dash of 3 is equal to 12. So f dash of 3 is equal to 2a into 12 plus b plus 0. Okay. So f dash of 3 is equal to 24a plus b, but f dash of 3 is 12, so 12 is equal to 24a plus b. You can write here f dash of 3 is equal to 12, and give it equation second. Now use the value, so it is 12 is equal to 24a plus b, so 2 minus 4a from equation 2. Okay. Now it is 12 is equal to 24a plus 2 minus 4a. So 2 here we get 10 and here we get 20a. So therefore a is equal to 10 upon 20. Sorry, here is one mistake. Here f dash of 3, so we have to put here 3. I am putting here 12, so it is 6a. Now it is 6a plus b, so 12 into 6a. Here also 6a plus 2, so here we get 10 and here 2a. So that's why a is equal to 10 upon 2 and here a is equal to 5. Sorry for that mistake. Here we have to put f dash of 3, so instead of x we have to put 3. Okay. Now from equation 2, b is equal to 2 minus 4 into 5, so it is 20 minus 18. Now put a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 18 and c is equal to 3 in equation first. You can observe equation first is ax square plus bx plus c. Now put all the value. So therefore f of x is equal to 5x square minus 18x plus 3, which is required quadratic polynomial. So with this example we complete here over exercise 9.2, and hence our chapter differentiation is complete here, and our entire syllabus is also complete here. We complete here over all syllabus. If any doubt about our syllabus, then you can ask me. So we stop here. Thank you.